garages. Every smartphone begins far away from factories. Deep underground, hidden beneath deserts and mountains,
Modern smartphones require dozens of different raw materials collected from across the world. Lithium powers the battery. Copper carries electricity. Gold creates microscopic electrical connections inside the phone.
Rare earth metals help power smartphone speakers and vibration motors, while aluminum and titanium create strong outer frames. And this is where things get interesting. A single smartphone may contain materials sourced from more than 40 countries. In giant mining operations, enormous excavators remove massive layers of earth every single day. Massive dump trucks transport thousands of tons of rock across dangerous mining roads every hour. The extracted ore is crushed using powerful industrial grinding machines before the separation process begins. Check the thermal readings on the main crucible. They're fluctuating again.
Adjusting the flow rate now. Levels are normalizing.
This entire process requires enormous amounts of energy. But without it, modern smartphones could never exist.
One of the most important materials inside every smartphone is silicon. It powers the processor, memory, and nearly every smart feature inside the device.
The flow rate on sorter 3 is fluctuating again.
I see it. Adjusting the laser alignment now. The sand is heated inside giant furnaces at temperatures above 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit.
As temperatures rise, oxygen separates from the silicon, leaving behind highly purified material. The purified silicon is melted and shaped into giant cylinders called ingots.
These giant ingots are cooled slowly to prevent microscopic defects from forming inside the material. Ultra-precise diamond saws then slice the ingots into incredibly thin silicon wafers.
These ultra-thin wafers become the foundation of smartphone processors.
Inside the cleanroom, the air is meticulously filtered. Even a single particle could compromise the delicate fabrication process. While silicon processing continues, other factories begin preparing the metal structures used inside modern smartphones.
The process begins with bauxite ore, the raw material used to create aluminum for smartphone frames.
Powerful chemical processes remove impurities and transform the material into pure aluminum. Powerful chemical processes remove impurities and transform the material into pure aluminum.
The purified aluminum is melted inside massive furnaces at extremely high temperatures.
The glowing metal is then rolled into thin industrial sheets used for smartphone production. Some premium smartphones use stainless steel or titanium frames instead. These materials are stronger, but far more difficult to process. Computer-controlled CNC machines cut the metal into precise smartphone frame shapes.
Precision drills create openings for buttons, cameras, speakers, and charging ports, before robotic polishing systems smooth every surface.
Factories apply protective coatings to improve durability and prevent corrosion. Because smartphone frames must balance strength, weight, heat engines. Now comes one of the most advanced industrial processes on Earth, processor manufacturing. Inside semiconductor factories,
inside these ultra-clean facilities, silicon wafers enter giant photolithography systems.
These machines project microscopic circuit patterns onto the wafer using powerful ultraviolet light. The patterns are unbelievably tiny. Modern processors contain billions of transistors packed into areas smaller than a fingernail.
Layer after layer of circuitry is added to the wafer with incredible precision.
Chemical coatings are applied. Microscopic sections are etched away. Conductive materials are carefully deposited onto the surface. The wafers are cleaned repeatedly during every stage to prevent microscopic contamination. And this is where things get surprising. Manufacturing a single processor may require more than 1,000 separate production steps. Every stage requires near-perfect precision. A single mistake can destroy millions of dollars worth of processors instantly. After processing, automated testing systems inspect every chip. The approved processors are cut from the wafer using diamond precision tools before moving to final assembly.
Smartphones rely on advanced memory chips and storage systems to run apps and save massive amounts of data instantly.
These tiny components help phones process information, store photos, and load applications at incredible speeds. Factories manufacture memory chips using highly advanced semiconductor production systems. The patterns are unbelievably tiny. Modern processors contain billions of transistors packed into areas smaller than a fingernail. Layer after layer of circuitry is added to the wafer with incredible precision. Chemical coatings are applied. Microscopic sections are etched away. Conductive materials are carefully deposited onto the surface. The wafers are cleaned repeatedly during every stage to prevent microscopic contamination.
Automated systems test each chip for speed, stability, and performance before approval.
After testing, the memory chips are carefully packaged for smartphone assembly factories around the world. And now, the core electronic systems powering the smartphone are finally ready.
The display is the part users interact with every second, and building modern smartphone screens requires astonishing precision.
The process begins with molten glass spreading across giant industrial surfaces before cooling slowly. Some smartphone glass is thinner than paper, yet engineered to survive drops and scratches. The glass then enters chemical strengthening tanks, filled with heated potassium salt solutions.
Factories apply transparent conductive coatings that allow the touchscreen to detect finger movement instantly. Now comes the OLED layer, where millions of microscopic pixels are deposited onto the display surface. Each pixel produces its own light, creating the deep blacks and vivid colors seen on modern smartphones. Automated inspection systems scan every screen for microscopic defects before approved displays move forward.
Smartphone batteries may look simple from the outside, but inside they contain highly engineered chemical systems.
Most modern smartphones use lithium-ion batteries built using lithium compounds and graphite materials.
Chemical slurries are coated onto ultra-thin sheets of copper and aluminum foil.
The coated sheets pass through giant industrial drying ovens before precision rollers compress them to exact thickness levels.
Battery layers are stacked carefully, with separator materials placed between them to prevent dangerous short circuits.
Electrolyte liquid is injected into the cells before the batteries are sealed inside protective casings.
Factories slowly charge and discharge every battery multiple times to stabilize the internal chemistry. Manufacturers crush, heat, overcharge, and puncture batteries during brutal safety testing. Only the strongest survive final assembly. Modern smartphone cameras are engineering masterpieces capable of capturing cinematic quality video from sensors smaller than a coin. The image sensor converts incoming light into digital electrical signals with incredible speed and precision. Robotic systems carefully assemble the camera lens structure inside ultra-clean factory environments.
Multiple tiny lenses are stacked precisely inside the camera module to create sharp and detailed images.
Even microscopic alignment errors can completely ruin the final image quality.
Optical stabilization systems use tiny motors to physically move the lens and reduce motion blur. Some flagship smartphone cameras now contain stabilization technology more advanced than professional cameras from just 15 years ago. After assembly, every camera module is tested for color accuracy, focus speed, exposure, and low light performance. Now the smartphone finally starts taking shape, as printed circuit boards enter advanced SMT production lines. SMT, or surface mount technology, allows microscopic components to be installed with incredible speed and precision. First, solder paste is applied onto the circuit board through ultra-precise metal stencils. Ultra-fast robotic placement machines then begin installing processors, memory chips, and wireless components. Thousands of tiny components are placed with astonishing accuracy every single hour. Some SMT machines can install more than 100,000 electronic parts every hour. The completed boards move through giant reflow ovens, where heat melts the solder into permanent electrical connections. After cooling, automated inspection systems scan every board for microscopic soldering defects invisible to the human eye. Alignment looks good on sector gamma.
Proceeding to fusion sequence.
The smartphone frame enters first, as robots begin installing components step by step. Batteries, motherboards, camera modules, speakers, and charging ports are carefully installed with incredible precision. Flexible ribbon cables connect different sections of the smartphone together, like a digital nervous system. Tiny robotic screwdrivers tighten microscopic screws using exact pressure settings to avoid damaging internal components.
Water-resistant smartphones receive precision adhesive sealing before the display is attached. Finally, the smartphone powers on for the very first time, as operating systems are installed onto thousands of devices simultaneously. Vacuum pressure systems remove even the smallest air bubbles trapped beneath the screen. Before any smartphone reaches consumers, it must survive a series of brutal quality tests. Robotic arms repeatedly drop smartphones from different angles to simulate real-world accidents. Buttons are pressed hundreds of thousands of times, while charging ports are tested repeatedly. Speakers blast audio continuously, while touchscreens undergo intense pressure testing.
Water-resistant smartphones face powerful spray chambers and high-pressure water tanks. Thermal testing exposes smartphones to extreme heat and freezing cold conditions.
Look at the thermal output on the z-axis. It's spiking during the drop test.
Yes, but the latency metrics are holding steady here. The casing integrity seems fine.
After passing dozens of inspections, approved smartphones are cleaned carefully before moving toward final packaging. Packaging may seem simple, but every smartphone box is carefully engineered for protection and global logistics. Automated systems place smartphones into perfectly molded protective trays with incredible precision. Charging cables, manuals, and accessories are added before the boxes move toward sealing stations. High-speed packaging machines seal every box before tracking labels and barcodes are applied automatically.
Now the smartphones begin another massive journey across the world.
Cargo ships and air freight systems transport millions of devices across oceans and continents every month.
As you can see here, the algorithm reroutes automatically to prevent bottlenecks during peak hours. A single smartphone may cross multiple countries before finally reaching a customer's pocket. So how much does it actually cost to manufacture a modern smartphone? The answer is far more complex than most people expect. The display alone can cost between $50 and $90, depending on the technology used.
Processors and semiconductor chips are among the most expensive components inside the device.
Memory, storage systems, and camera modules add even more cost to the final product.
Even smaller components like batteries, metal frames, and assembly labor contribute significantly to production costs. Packaging, testing, shipping, and logistics add additional costs before the phone reaches consumers.
In total, a modern mid-range smartphone may cost between $250 and $500 to manufacture.
And this is where things get surprising. Advanced semiconductor factories can cost more than $10 billion to build. Now let's talk about the business behind smartphones, where manufacturing costs are only part of the story. A smartphone costing $400 to manufacture may sell for $1,000 or even more. But smartphone companies also spend billions on research, software engineering, and product development. The camera stabilization is unmatched. We can track that shipment for you right now.
We are thrilled to partner with you on this.
The schematics indicate a 20% efficiency gain, and the warranty data supports that projection.
Still, premium smartphone companies can generate enormous profits by controlling both hardware and software together. Cloud storage, app stores, streaming subscriptions, and accessories create additional streams of revenue. Some companies now earn more money from services and ecosystems than from the phones themselves.
Artificial intelligence is already improving quality control systems inside modern factories.
The future of smartphone manufacturing may become even more advanced than anything we see today. Machine vision systems can now detect microscopic manufacturing defects instantly. Robots are becoming faster, smarter, and more autonomous with every new generation. Flexible displays and foldable smartphones are completely changing how devices are manufactured.
Graphene batteries and under-display cameras may soon replace many current smartphone technologies. Manufacturers are also focusing heavily on sustainability, recycling, and reducing environmental impact. The next generation of smartphone factories may become cleaner, smarter, and more automated than ever before. From underground mines and purified silicon to advanced robotic factories, the smartphone represents one of humanity's greatest engineering achievements.
Hey, how's London? Amazing, you have to see this place.
Every processor, display, battery, and camera passes through thousands of precise manufacturing steps before reaching your hands.
And now, you've seen the complete process behind one of the world's most advanced technologies.
If you enjoyed exploring the hidden world behind modern technology and giant factories, subscribe for more cinematic manufacturing documentaries.